Google app not working on iPhone. If the Google app is not working on your iPhone, then here is how to fix it quickly step by step. So let's get started. The first one, the easiest method is to force close and reopen the app. Open the Google app, then swipe up from the bottom and swipe it up to close and reopen the app from the home screen. If you are using the home button, then double press on the home button and swipe it up to close. Now, after that, restart your iPhone. Press and hold power plus volume down and slide to power off, then wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. Once done so, simply tap on the App Store. Then in there, search for the Google app. Then tap on the Google, and if you see the update icon available right next to it, tap on the update and update it to the latest version. And once updated, that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.